Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Hard to know just where it starts, how it grows. From just a spark, it's wondrous. I feel it now with you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. From dream to rush to a very first try, from jumping to falling to learning to fly. So love the pain to explosion and meets the eye. It's the magic that we call.
Yeah.
It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the fire that bonfires. Like we see it, like we believe it. It's wondrous.
But you remember, that old star can only take you part of the way. You gotta have the moments of hard work of your own.
There's the trials and tribulations.
Yeah.
You know I've had my share. But I got and I'm almost there. I remember it that they told me fairy tales to come true. But you gotta make up everything goes well. And I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm gonna come in everywhere.
Today be the day. You ready to fly? I'll take joy.
Everybody, here we go. We can be immortals, immortals. Okay, here's the plan. We're going lower back. Oh my god. It's going to be
Oh, look at that. Yeah. Wow. They're flying. Whoa, nice.
I came here to make the world a better place, but I think I broke it. I'm not the right person. You have to
choose someone else. Choose someone else.
Sometimes the world seems against you. The dirty may leave a scar. Scars can heal and reveal us where you are.
We started this thing together, and that's how we finish.
I believe in you more than anyone or anything. Nothing could ever be broken that we can't fix together.
Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, hay que volver. Si de dónde seguirás, ya son milagros. Viendo quizás vivirás. Hay que volar, hay que encontrar su propio futuro. Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, hay que volver. I want to be the night, wonders around you. Just like a wall of thunder. Come on, you can wait for tomorrow.
Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
It's the magic that we can hide. It's the stars that light your eyes. It's the fire of the butterflies. When we see it, can you believe it? It's the magic that we can hide. It's the stars that light your eyes. It's the fire of the butterflies. When we see it, can you believe it? It's the magic.
And so we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But prove it's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.
Oh. Yeah. That's how you like the sky up. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's that. Was it good?